Hey guys, Top Gloss back again with another video. Today we have this 1999 Ford F-150. We're going to be doing some touch-up paint to a lot of these rock chips, as well as some wet sanding and buffing. So, as always, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Today, I think we're going to do something different for this video. It's going to be more of a commentary heavy video. I know sometimes I do them in the beginning and not the end, but this one I'm really going to try to talk throughout and explain what I'm doing. So right now, I'm just giving the truck a quick hand wash. It's pretty important too when you have touch-up or anything on the exterior for that matter, that you have a nice clean surface to work with so you can see everything you're doing. So now that the truck is all washed and pulled into the shop, I'm going to go ahead and use the drying towel to get up 99% of the water. It's pretty important when you're doing touch-up not to have any water drips. Water will definitely ruin your paint. Speaking of paint, we have our pint of color-matched paint here, and then our tube of applicators we're going to be using to dab on the paint. So before we begin, I'm going to give the paint a very thorough shake-up. So what's cool about this is it already comes with a brush attached to the lid. However, I do not like using this brush, so we're going to use those little applicators. So now we're just going to go around the entire vehicle and touch up all of the chips. This is a very long and tedious process. It's very detail oriented. You cannot miss anything. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. Enjoy the music, and I will catch you guys when we're done. All right, so we finally got all of the touch-up done. Now it's time to start wet sanding. We're going to start with the scratches on the front driver fender. All right, as we wipe the compound away, it looks good to send. All right, so the next area we're going to focus on is the bottom of the bedside, pretty much doing the exact same process we did on the fender. So as you can see, it's not 100%, but it did lighten up quite a bit, so we'll take it. So that's going to be a wrap for this one. Turned out really, really good. Customer was very, very satisfied. Overall, a good project. But that's going to do it for this one. I will catch you guys in the next video.